Hi, good day. This is Prexyll from vidz, and now we have a very long journey. After 10 years working here in Jeddah, Saudi Arabia, we finally go home for good to the Philippines together with my brother companion, Brad MTV. As we go to the airport, we have some also mistake because we thought that this flight will be in the new airport, but unfortunately, we are still in the old airport, which is the new terminal. But the good thing, we thank God that we transfer there and we are not late to our flight, and we check in and we say goodbyes to our friend. And continuing this journey, we have a very long transit in Singapore, which is 22 hours. Now we will start our very long journey, so join us in our journey this night or these 2 days. We are very glad because after 2 years of waiting because of this pandemic, we don't go vacation, and now we can travel again going to our hometown in Philippines. I found now my seat number, and it is very fine. The aircraft is not so crowded, and few passengers only join us in our journey to Singapore. This is a very long journey from Jeddah to Clark, but it is a connecting flight. From Jeddah to Singapore, we have to travel 9 hours and wait there 22 hours before again continuing from Singapore to Clark in the Philippines. So I have now to relax and enjoy this ride. It is very nice to travel not crowded flights. You can lay down on the seat because everyone passengers have one seat. So I will continue this journey, this traveling until we reach Singapore, and I am now very sleepy, but take a little bit rest. After 9 hours of long flight, we reach already Singapore, and we land here safe and sound, and we will wait here 22 hours. So we will see what we can find in this airport and what is the differences now in this pandemic time. Here at Singapore Airport, we are waiting for our transit and 22 hours. This is the longest transit ever I have experienced in my life, and we will try to. We don't know what will be the situation later on. Maybe we can go for the food court and have our food, and we're looking for some place to sleep. And we will experiencing here this like a ghost town airport or something like this. I remember before last on 18, the Singapore airport is not like this. Now there's no one walking around. Sometimes there's a crew of the aircraft, but it's not like same like before. So this is the COVID effect in each and every airport in the world. It is worth you spend your time in his beautiful airport here in Singapore. It is not boring for us, and we just like to roam around in this area. We cannot go to all the places, but here there is some kind of open food house so we can eat.
But couldn't make a sound. The sun reflecting in her eyes as I was standing hypnotized. Her laughter.
It is very delicious, but we think it is not enough for us. That's why later on we will try to find some restaurants to buy some more or eat some rice.
Is ripped to pieces in my chest. Oh, Medic, what can you do? This is some serious witchery. She's my
It is very clean, luxury, and also very relaxing to find some many good view inside the airport. It's kind of relaxing, and we don't feel stress even though we will wait very long hours in this airport.
I've searched everywhere to find her. Searched everywhere. Is she a dream or in reality? Whoa, whoa. I'm not the next.
The time passed by and we are looking for place to sleep. We saw a spot already, but we still very hungry. That's why we go to have some dinner again. And the good thing is we find one restaurant he offering chicken and rice. So we eat first before we go to our sleep in this airport.
Heart's got a serious injury. It's ripped to pieces in my chest. Oh no. Medic, what can you do?
We are full and we relax a little bit, and now it is time to sleep in this very comfortable sleeping seat. And the good thing, it is free, so I will spend my night here until the morning.
I never felt tomorrow closing in this fast. Oh, I guess time's in a rush.
After we wake up, we found in the information screen that we have the gate already, but we drop by for some breakfast. We buy some bread and also coffee, and we are very excited. This is the day that we will go to our homeland in the Philippines, in Clark. So we will continue in this journey after we eat some breakfast.
The time I got, it is just enough to get by. Yeah, it is just enough to get by.
After finishing checking of all the papers needed, especially now in this pandemic time, I am now boarding to the aircraft and very excited. And again, it is still few passengers. They are boarding in this aircraft.
Sometimes I understand I'm making all the wrong demands in life. It never pays in the end.
It is more shorter flight, about 3 hours, and still we are one row of the seat because the passenger is few, and also implementing the social distancing.
I know what it means to grow old. Yeah, now I know the time I got is just.
After 3 hours pass, we saw the dry land, and this is Philippines already, and we are here in part of northern Luzon. It is Pampanga, the province, but we are landing in Clark Airport or in Angeles City.
It is just enough to get by. Yeah, it is just enough to get by. I like you. My baby, I die for you. See you, you know, I see you.
We are very happy. We reached already our destination, and after some briefing from OWA, so we thank the government for the free ride and also for the accommodation of our 7 days quarantine here in Clark before we can go to our families.
Everything for your jambele, oh jambele, oh yeah. You are not a friend of me, no. Baby, you mean more to me, more to me.
It is very good regulation that we have to sanitize our baggage before we can take it and go inside to the hotel. And later on, we have some briefing how we will spend our time here and what is the do's and don'ts before we get our swab test after 5 days.
Tonight, don't make plans tonight, yeah, no. But yeah, come to me, come to me, let's go. Come to me, Fatoumata Jambele, oh Lord. Fatoumata Jambele, oh Jambele.
So clearing all from the final information checking with the OWA representative, and now we can go to our room. It is very beautiful, and also I will have to spend my time here after 5 to 7 days. And the good thing is I saw again the blue sky and the different kind of vehicles, the jeepneys and other transportation. So we are very happy and we are thankful for the government of the Republic of the Philippines that they are giving us this opportunity to have a free accommodation and also transportation. So I will spend my time here and do some work until I will go to my homeland. See you in next vlog. This is Prexyll from Prexyll and thank you for watching our video.
More to me. You are not a friend of me, no. Baby, you mean more to me, more to me. You are not a friend of me, no.